Hello, my name's Anton. I work as a clinical psychologist here at Hampshire CAMHS. In this video, I'll introduce to you a quick and simple mindfulness exercise based on breathing. This is a technique that you can use to help notice what's happening in the present moment without judgment, so you can respond more helpfully when difficult thoughts and feelings arise. It's a very simple, helpful coping technique that can be used to quickly reduce stress. Breathing is a quick and effective way of calming the sympathetic nervous system, our natural stress response. Many of us can find that we spend a lot of our time holding our breath throughout the day without realising. This can lead to increased body tension, such as stiffening our shoulders and chest, which in turn may make us feel more tension in our body and feel more tense overall. Tense your body for a moment whilst holding your breath. Notice how that feels. It's uncomfortable, right? You can quickly see how holding that tension for a long period of time could increase your feeling of stress. This calming breathing technique for stress takes just a few minutes and can be done absolutely anywhere. It's a very quick way of checking in with how you're feeling and encourages your body and mind to be more naturally focused on awareness towards your breath. You'll get the most benefit of this if you do it regularly as part of your daily routine. You can do it standing up, sitting in a chair that supports your back, or lying down on a bed or yoga mat on the floor. Try and make yourself as comfortable as you can. If you're able to, loosen any clothes that restrict your breathing. If you're lying down, place your arms a little bit away from your sides with the palms up. Let your legs be straight, or bend your knees so that your feet are flat on the floor. Okay, I'd like you to start by settling into a comfortable position and allow your eyes to close or keep them open with a softened gaze. Begin by taking several long, slow, deep breaths, breathing in fully and exhaling fully. Breathe in through your nose and out through your nose or your mouth, but allow your breath to find its natural rhythm. Bring your full attention to noticing each in-breath as it enters your nostrils, travels down your lungs, and then causes your belly to expand. And notice each out-breath as your belly contracts and as air moves up through the lungs, back through the nostrils or mouth. Invite your full attention to flow with your breath. Notice how the inhale is different from the exhale. You might experience the air as cool as it enters your nose and warm as it exits. As you turn more deeply inwards, begin to let go of those noises around you. If you're distracted by sounds in the room, simply notice them and bring your intention back to your breath. Simply breathe as you normally breathe. Don't strive to change anything. Don't try to control your breath in any way. Observe and accept your experience of this moment without judgment, paying attention to each inhale and each exhale. If you find your mind wandering to thoughts, plans, problems, just notice them, that your mind is wandering. Watch the thought as it enters your awareness as neutrally as possible. Then practice letting go of the thought as if it were floating away. In your mind, acknowledge each thought that arises, but bring your attention back to your breath. Your breath is an anchor that you can return to over and over again when you become distracted or overwhelmed by thoughts. Notice when your mind has wandered, and it will. Observe the types of thoughts that hook you or distract you. Noticing is the richest part of learning. With this knowledge, you can strengthen your ability to detach from thoughts and mindfully focus your awareness back on the qualities of your breath in the present moment. Practice coming home to the breath with your full attention. You could watch the gentle rise of your stomach on the in-breath and the relaxing letting go feeling on the out-breath. Allow yourself to be completely with your breath as it flows in and out. You may become distracted by pain or discomfort in the body, perhaps some twitching or itching sensations that draw away your attention from your breath. You may also notice feelings arising, perhaps sadness or happiness, frustration or contentment. Acknowledge whatever comes up, including thoughts or stories about your experience, and notice where your mind went without judging it, without pushing it away, without clinging to it, or without wishing it were different. Just simply refocus your mind and guide your attention back to your breath. Breathe in, and then breathe out. Follow the air all the way in and all the way out. Mindfully be in the present moment by being with your breath. If your mind wanders away from your breath, just notice it without judgment, whether it's a thought, an emotion, or a sensation that hooks your attention, whatever it might be. Just gently guide your awareness back to your breathing. And as this practice comes to an end, slowly allow your attention to expand. Notice your entire body, and then beyond that, to the room that you're in. When you're ready, open your eyes and come back fully alert and awake. The breath is always with you as a refocusing tool to bring you back to the present moment. Set your intention to use this practice throughout your day to help cultivate and strengthen attention. So, that was the mindfulness of the breath exercise. What did you think of it? If you want to find out any more information, check out our Hampshire CAMHS website and search for mindfulness.